Remove the screws and remove the top cover of the machine. Remove the screws and remove the middle body of the machine.
Remove the screws holding the engraving platform. Take out the engraving platform. Take away the bottom frame. Turn the middle body to the back. Attach the risers according to the holes. You can increase the risers according to the height of the items to be engraved. Turn the machine back to the front. Put it into the engraving platform. Slip the nylon spacer into the glued hand screws. Align the holes with the glued hand screws. Tighten the glued hand screws on both sides of the claw rod, stepping claw, long claw, to ensure smoother assembly. Choose the appropriate claw based on the shape and size of the object you need to engrave. The size can be adjusted according to the object you want to engrave. Loosen the rubber head hand screws on both sides and plug in the YRR motor cable. Note, the YRR motor cable should be passed through the bottom of the machine. Rotate the chuck to the horizontal and tighten the rubber head hand screws on both sides. Put the YRC into the machine. Plug in the YRR motor cable and connect to the machine. Plug in the machine's power supply cable and the USB cable. Put on the end cap PCB. Start the machine. Measure the circumference of the object to be engraved, required for setting parameters later. Install the object to be engraved on the claw bar. Twist the chuck manually. Use a wrench to strengthen it again. Put in a square level to test whether the engraving surface of the engraved object is at the same height. If not, you need to adjust it by twisting the hand screws of the rubber head on both sides. Adjust the focal length of the laser module. Note, the best result is achieved when the focus bar is just in contact with the object to be focused on. The air nozzle should be at the highest point of the engraved object. Remove the engraved object using a wrench.